Hey guys, welcome back to Cultivation with Christy. I'm Christy. It's already hot this morning. It is 7:20. I slept in a little too late this morning. Lincoln, quit eating grass. I need to get out here, harvest potatoes, because I did not do it yesterday. I can hear the second round of cicadas have emerged. Okay, I'm gonna go in and get my tripod because I forgot it, and then we're on to harvesting potatoes. Also, I need two things from you. One, together I've got one full empty bed, and I need to know what you think I should plant in them. The one is the one we're about to empty with the tomatoes in it. Potatoes. So it will be sharing with the sweet potato. And yes, yesterday I came out here and was like, squash bugs, and then it died. What the hell? So much for my dreams of butternut squash. Maybe this Pennsylvania Dutch over here will hold out and I'll get some kind of winter squash. Anyway, it'll be with the sweet potato. So I might just have the sweet potatoes grow up this trellis. But I'm assuming the sweet potatoes will take over that half eventually, so I'll need something a little bit taller to come through the sweet potatoes to put over there. Over here, I put some zinnia seeds out there. Nothing yet. And then I'll need something to plant here. So, let me know if you have any ideas. Also, if you are local to the Huntsville area, or I know you personally, and you sell doTERRA, let me know. Because I really liked their bug essential oil, like the bug spray stuff. It actually works decently. And I'm almost out. I bought some in Celebration, Florida while I was there. And I'm almost out. So, if you sell or know somebody or local, let me know. Also, here we go. We're gonna plant some harvest some potatoes. Alright, I am dripping sweat. It only took me 40 minutes. I squirreled and I weeded the walkway, which looks much better now. I still need to do around the perimeter and the garden beds. From when my friends come, which is funny because I show you guys all the time my hot mess, garden mess, but I want it to be pretty when it's in person. There's a bee. Bumblebee. Anyway, so now I'm going to harvest the potatoes, and then I'm probably gonna go in and die. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's hot. Go in and get some electrolytes. But look at all them taters. It's a good 10, 15 pounds, probably 20. Maybe I'll weigh them. Alright, well, thanks for hanging out with my monotonous chores again. If you have a suggestion for what I can plant there and what I can plant here, I might have to replant over there because it looks like I've only got one maybe zinnia coming up. But we'll see. I planted some down here too, but it's been too hot and too dry. I guess I'll have to throw some seeds out here the next time it's gonna rain for a couple of days. I'm gonna try and get out here and weed some more eventually. Maybe Thursday morning. Alright, thanks for hanging out, guys. Until next time.